Yo, okay, so what's up? Yeah, boy, Kelly Dorche. Alright, so I decided that I'm gonna start dancing again. So I'm gonna do the evolution of black dance. And this was originally done by the King of Weird on YouTube. And I decided it looked so fun, I want to try to do it. So here's my little edition of the evolution of black dance. Okay.
The truth of the matter is that American culture at this point, what is truly American, is black culture to a large degree.
You can't see it. It's electric. You gotta feel it. It's electric. Woo.
Hands up, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Forming and designing while we're sitting on stage.
Well, it's the Cabbage Patch Jazz and it's a brand new craze.
So get with it.
Never trust a big button smile. That girl is
I do the Humpty Hump, come on, I do the Humpty Hump. Check me out, y'all, I do the Humpty Hump, just watch me do the Humpty Hump. Yeah.
Stop, hammer time.
Crisscross, cha-cha real smooth. Let's go to work.
Make this money, take this money. Ain't no way you can take this from me. Ain't funny, shake it, honey. Take it, money. Now let's get it.
I like the way you do that right there, right there. Swing the hip when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Make your lip when you're talking, that make me stir, let me stir. I
Lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on, I said my name.
1, 2 step. I love it. 1, 2 step. Everybody 1, 2 step.
This beat
Rain.
let it rain.
Now clear it out.
Clear it.
Let it rain.
Clear it.
Now clear it out.
Clear it.
And let's get it. 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 Let it rain. Now clear it out.
Clear it out.
Let it rain.
Let it shake,
Now
let
clear
it
it out.
let it go. Lean with it, walk with it. 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 Now walk it out. 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 Now west side walk it out. South side walk it out. East side walk it out. North side walk it out. Now hit the dance. Chest, pants, shoes. Shoulders, chest, pants, shoes. Cause I'm all white. Cause I'm all white. Cause I'm all white. Cause I'm all white. Cause I'm all.
Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club.
I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler.
Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy? That Superman? That now why me crack that soldier? 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 Now what?
Lock and drop it. Pop, 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 lock and drop it.
My Dougie, my Dougie, my Dougie, my Dougie, my Dougie, my Dougie. She said she like my Dougie.
Her hips, then wave and sip. She rock her hips, then wave and sip. She rock. Let me see you do the baby wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble.
Wake it up, take it to the front, take it to the back, take it to the front, take it to the back, take it to the front, take it to the back. Big. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. Jerk.
her with that flex, hit her with that flex, hit her with that flex. He gon' be begging for some more.
Do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg when I hit the dance floor. I'm swag, I'm swag, I'm swag, I'm swag, I'm swag. I'm feeling like this to turn it on.
Who say with it? Who say with it? Who say with it? Who say with it? Not do that, do that, do that dance. Not do your dance. Not do that.
Get the daddy stroke, get the daddy stroke, get the daddy stroke, get the daddy stroke, get the daddy stroke.
Rack City bitch, rack city bitch, rack city bitch, rack city bitch.
To the left, back to the right, back to the left 2 times. Back to the right, back to the left, back to the right 2 times. Now
I really rock on any block. I really rock on any block.
kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip.
Look at my down. Look at my down. Look at my down. Look at my down.
Hit the quad. Hit the quad. Hit the quad. Hit the quad. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that. Juju on that. Juju on that beat.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold up my pants. I just want some ice.
Oh shit. Alright, y'all. That's it. I'm done. I am not like 15 no more. Oh my god. That was some good cardio though. That was, yeah. So that was Evolution of Dance. Your boy, Kelly Deutsch. I'm out.